short rib ragu from Guy Garvin in Atlanta.
So there's 3 different things you're gonna do. So you wanna start the sauce with the olive oil, garlic, the onion, the bell pepper, garlic salt, red chilies. So you wanna get them soft, okay?
Got it.
In a separate pan, shred the short ribs because they're already ready. They're really nice and tender, so you wanna take them off the bone. Go ahead and break up those peeled plum tomatoes. You wanna squeeze them. Let them saute a bit, make a small well. You're gonna add a tablespoon of tomato paste.
Got it, Chef. What is Hunter doing with those short ribs?
You're gonna saute them super hot pan. Add a little bit of the broth. You're gonna let that simmer. And the sauce, you got some oregano. I wanna get some oregano in there. Then you're gonna add the red wine. Now you're gonna add the tomato puree. So what I did was I cooked down the tomatoes and I pureed them up.
Beautiful.
You're gonna cook that pasta. Then pull the pasta out, add the penne. I want you to add in the ricotta cheese to the sauce. Add the short ribs.
Short ribs, ricotta, everybody's in the pool.
Toss it. All right, you're gonna go ahead and plate it, and then you're gonna shave that parm, put a few dollops of the ricotta over the top, fresh basil.
Little of the chiffonade. A beautiful pasta. Delicious dish, lots of big flavor profiles. I think the key to it, though, really is the short rib and the amount of short rib you had us put in there, but awesome.